do apologize for the camera shake. I'm kind of driving at the speed limit. I got to get some work done to my Scat Pack. My Scat Pack's sick. You know, everyone's been sick with the coronavirus and things like that. So, you know, the Scat Pack's sick. So I'm going to go ahead and take it up to my buddy's shop, Goods Garage. I'm going to put the info down below. Big shout out to him. I got my little bro behind me riding with me because I got to drop my car for a couple of days. It's one of those things. I know we're supposed to be quarantined, but you know it's got to be taken care of. You know, luckily the shops are essential. You know, auto mechanics and all that. So he's gonna go ahead and do some work to my car that needs to be done. You know, and fixed ASAP so I can get back to work when I can't get back to work. You know, right now I'm off paid leave and everything like that. So right now we on our way. Stay tuned. Woo! Alright guys, we've arrived here at Goods Garage. Let's go ahead and turn this music down. Chance the Rapper, shout out to him. Huh? Now I'm back. Oh yeah. What's up, man? Not much, man. All right. Oh yeah. Got the. Thank you. Brother helped me put side skirts, front split, and all that on yesterday.
Surprisingly got them. I got all kinds of orders. It's scheduled. I'm supposed to be here Saturday. That's the stuff that kills coronavirus.
Yeah.
And it's recommended by the World Health Organization. So
and it's still
I
not.
need that till tomorrow. And then my Yeezys. Who knows how long? I got a Hellcat coming in Wednesday.
Yeah.
To coat, and I ordered the coating the other day. I'm like,
yeah. Yeah.
What's up, everybody? It's Matt Good here at Goods Custom Garage and Auto Detailing. Getting ready to do Go Cardo Go's charger for the Colorworks headlights. Probably be done tomorrow, but 2 to 3 day turnaround. But we'll see what it looks like. You got the RGBW.
Yeah.
See what it looks like. Have it done the next couple days and check it out.
All right, tell them where they can find you at.
2781 Coral Ridge Road, Brooks, Kentucky, 40109. Been in business for 7 years. Been doing it for 27. Check us out, goodscustomgarage.com, or find us on Facebook under Goods Custom Garage.
Oh yeah, you see it right there on his shirt too, in case you guys can't read. But yeah, check him out, guys. Go Cardo Go. We'll be back. What up, man? Long drive. Ooh-wee! Oh, that thing's beautiful. Like a kid in the candy store. Oh yeah, definitely did your thing, man. You could do that too? I didn't know that. I didn't even download the app. I gotta download the app and put in a code or something like that.
We'll download it on your phone.
Okay.
And I'll exit out of it.
Yeah.
Pull the fuse.
Yeah.
Put the fuse back in on your phone and pick it up.
Cool. That's awesome. I'm in love, man. Greatly appreciate it. Yes, sir. Is that the basic, the regular? Okay.
When you go into
Yeah.
you got your app with your color wheel. Of course, this is based off of my truck has the same, well, the Rocklight kit's Colorworks too.
Okay.
But you can change your colors with the color wheel side. You want to go on red.
Yeah.
You can change it to whatever color red you want, or you can do Like once you find a color, you can save your colors down there.
Nice.
Then you go into warm. You can do a warm white, which is the bright white.
Yeah.
Functions, you got
Dang, a lot of different ones.
7-color crossfade, red. You change all the different ones. And then you go down into strobes. You can change your speeds.
Oh, that's awesome.
And you do the disco, that'll work like, see how it's going with my voice. Right now?
Beast lives. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah.